I'm going to show you how to use AppMap Navie with a custom LLM backend from Fireworks.ai. With Fireworks.ai, you can get access to on-demand LLMs such as DeepSeek Coder, CodeLlama, and the recently released Meta Llama 3.1. First, in your Fireworks.ai account, create a new API key to use with Navie. Next, select the model that you'd like to use from the models list. I'm going to configure the Llama 3.1 405B model with Navie. Copy the path to the model and save for later when configuring Navie. Now, open your code editor and configure the AppMap environment variables. In VS Code, open Settings and search for AppMap command. Configure the URL for Fireworks.ai, the model you'd like Navie to use, your API key, and any other options. You can make the same configuration changes in JetBrains under the Settings, Tools, AppMap section. There, you can configure the same set of environment variables. When you complete the configuration, reload your code editor and open a new Navie chat window. You'll see the model configured via the Fireworks.ai endpoint. Now, you can interact with Navie as normal, asking questions to explain how your application works, creating diagrams for code interactions, and generating code fixes or adding new features. To learn more about AppMap, head over to appmap.io.